In this video, we will discuss some methods of string. I will practically apply some of these methods. If someone is interested in learning more about it, they can visit the MDN website. So here I have two strings. In string 1, I have written JS is, while in string 2, I have written still rocking. So I will take another variable. Result equals to, firstly I will use index of. What I will do for this is string 2 dot, and then I will write the function index of, and the O of the of is capital. And here I will tell, it is also telling us that what it does is, it will tell index, it will tell how many times it has been repeated in this array, how many times its references have appeared. So to find any number, what we do is, for example, say I. So we look at the string, how many times do we have I? Once here and once here. So twice. It will return 2, which I have added here. Let's run it. So here we have 2. So let's look at the next. Next we'll look at concat. In a previous lecture, we added 2 strings to get Pakistan. So here, if we concat string 1 with string 2, here we have result. So in result, the string will be JS is still rocking. So if I go here and refresh it, so here I have the full string. We can do it directly with concat method after that. Here we have it in uppercase and lowercase. This is in uppercase, and I can convert it in lowercase. Result equals to string 2 dot to lowercase. So it will convert all of it to lowercase. Still rocking is in lowercase. Like this, if I want it in uppercase, if something is in small and I want it in uppercase, it will convert it into uppercase. So aside from this, let's look at another example. Next, we have split. What split does is, string returns an array and we extract it. And I'll put a comma in the middle, so I have a string and I want to split it into 2 parts. JS is still rocking. So what I will do is, in result, I have split string 2 dot. There, I want it in a way that it splits I. For example, if I split it, I will be replaced by comma in the string and will divide it in 3. If I want it like this, I only want it split, and here I write split after 2, so here still rocking. I have written it after 2, so what it has done is extracted characters from string, which we had already told, still rocking. We had added a comma and it has split it.